Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Bitcoin. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Bitcoin has been overall bullish for a while, trading inside this flat rising channel, and it's currently approaching the lower bound or lower brown trend line, acting as a non-horizontal support. That's why we are looking for button ups on lower time frames. Moreover, the 40k zone is currently acting as a resistance support zone, was acting as a resistance previously, rejecting the price multiple times, then price broke it upward, it's now acting as support and support again. So that's why we are looking for buy stops in the first place. Of course, unless the bears manage to break below this channel, then the 40k would become a resistance and a movement to the 30k would be expected. Now if you zoom into daily time frame, we can see that we are currently inside this flat rising channel also, as we can see in green, after price rejected the 40k zone, so making this movement. And since price is currently around the lower band, we'll be looking for buy setups, knowing that Bitcoin can still trade low a little bit before trading higher. So long story short, around the support area from weekly, looking for buy setups unless the bears manage to break below it, then a movement lower would be expected. If we zoom into H4 time frame, as mentioned from daily, we are overall bullish and we are currently forming this wedge pattern. And as per my trading style, I'll be waiting for price to form a third swing high around the upper right trend line and around the 40k, and then we can buy on or like for the bull to take over, we need to see a momentum candle close above this area. So but first we need to see this one here. Unless the bulls kick in from here and break or invalidate the upper trend line and break above the 40k, then the bulls will take over and we'll be looking for buy setups on the retest. So this is as per my trading plan. Meanwhile, as mentioned from daily and weekly, unless the bears breaks it downward, then we can see a trend continuation to the downside. But for now, around the support, looking for buy setups, waiting for extra confirmation to enter the buy. Before we continue, I want to tell you about Kucoin. Kucoin is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 600 billion traded volume on the platform and 8 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Moreover, Kucoin has been rated the best crypto exchange by Forbes Advisor, and according to Coinmarketcap, Kucoin is a top 3 in terms of overall performance. Kucoin offers a wide range of services and features. Of course, you first got spot trading and margin trading, but with more than 540 listed coins and 960 trading pairs. You also got trading bot, staking, mining pool, and many, many more. And I'll make sure to make a detailed video about each and every feature. For now, if you don't have an account yet, I'll make sure to include the links in the description below, and let's continue. As we clearly see, KCS has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this brown channel. And since we are overall bullish, we'll be waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch what the next impulse movement upward. However, we can't really know where the correction would end. It can end here, here, or even dive deeper before trading higher. That's why, even though we are overall bullish, we don't buy blindly. We always wait for extra confirmation and trigger. The first confirmation is we always wait for a rejection area. In our case, is this lower trend line in brown acting as a non-horizontal support, rejecting the price multiple times. Moreover, we do have this zone in green was acting as a resistance previously, then price broke upward, so it's now acting as a support area. So this area here is a strong area to look for buy setups because it's the intersection of this horizontal support and this non-horizontal support. Now, if you zoom into daily time frame, we can see that, as I previously mentioned, we had this wedge pattern in blue, price broke it upward, now forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern, and we were waiting for price for a momentum candle close above this area to enter the buy. Meanwhile, as I mentioned previously, KCS can trade lower to test this area one more time before trading higher. In this case, as price approaches this zone, we'll be looking for budget ups on lower time frames. If we zoom into H4 time frame, we can see that we also got a flat hand and shoulders pattern forming, but like we don't really need it because we already have one from daily time frame. It's just for extra confirmation or to monitor the latest price action more. So long story short, we are waiting for a momentum candle close above this area to buy KCS or to expect that the buyers are finally taking over. Meanwhile, as I mentioned in my previous picture analysis, would be overall bearish and KCS can still trade lower to test this area. In this case, we'll be looking for buy stops to form, for example, like a channel or like any bullish reversal setup. That's it for KCS. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.